Welcome to Exodus versus Shapeshift Edge. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Exodus and Shapeshift Edge, covering their features, user experience, and who they're best suited for. Exodus is a popular software wallet known for its ease of use and broad support for over 200 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. Exodus integrates a built-in exchange feature, allowing users to trade cryptocurrencies within the wallet itself. It's ideal for beginners and intermediate crypto users who want a simple, all-in-one solution for managing a diverse range of assets. Exodus also offers a portfolio tracker, making it easy to monitor your crypto holdings in real time. For enhanced security, it can be paired with Trezor hardware wallets, allowing users to store their private keys offline. However, while Exodus provides a smooth experience, it's primarily a software wallet and doesn't support as many advanced features as some hardware solutions. Shapeshift Edge, on the other hand, is a more advanced wallet built with privacy and decentralized trading in mind. Shapeshift Edge is designed for users who value security and control over their assets. It provides non-custodial access to your funds, meaning you always hold your private keys. The wallet allows for seamless swaps between supported cryptocurrencies, integrating with decentralized exchanges, DEXs, for direct trades without intermediaries. It's particularly well-suited for advanced users who prioritize privacy and decentralized finance, DeFi, solutions. Shapeshift Edge also features multi-signature support, hardware wallet compatibility, and an emphasis on security. In summary, Exodus is great for those who need an easy-to-use, all-in-one wallet that supports a wide range of assets with an integrated exchange. It's perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a simple crypto management solution. Shapeshift Edge, on the other hand, is ideal for advanced users who value privacy, security, and decentralized trading. It's better suited for those with experience in DeFi and who want more control over their crypto assets. Check the links in the description for more details about both wallets.